Yes, students, question number 5. Line L is the bisector of angle A and B is any point L. Okay. BP and BQ are perpendiculars from B to the arms of angle A. See, this is the line L. Here BP and BQ, these two are two perpendiculars, 90 degrees showing here. Okay. And then you have to show that these two triangles are congruent. Okay. And also you have to show BP is equal to BQ. One very important thing, L is the bisector of angle A. Bisector of angle A means these two angles are equal. Okay, this I can say this is 1 and this is 2. Both are equal. So what to do? I have to find out these two triangles congruent. What is the name of it? Triangle APB is congruent to triangle AQB. Okay, here I have written APB and AQB. So what to do? I am taking first thing, that is angle 1 is equal to angle 2. And what is the reason? Reason is here L is the bisector of angle A. L is the bisector of angle A. That is why angle 1 is equal to 2. So I am writing here A. Okay. Then we have given in figure angle P equal to angle Q because both are perpendiculars. So I can write here angle P equal to angle Q, that is equal to 90 degree, and it is given in the question because BP is perpendicular to AP and BQ is perpendicular to AQ. Okay, third one, very important one, third one. Two things already given to you. Third one is what? See, this arm AB, side AB of triangle APB and AQB. AB is the common side here, AB and AB. So AB will be equal to AB. I can write here common side. Then what to do? What is the meaning? Triangle APB will be congruent to triangle AQB. See the reason? What is the reason? AAS. This is by AAS. And because both are congruent, it means its corresponding parts of congruent triangle should be equal. So BP is equal to BQ because these two triangles are equal. So we can say this side will be equal to this side by CPCT. This is the answer. Yes, the next very important question is in figure AC equal to AE, AB equal to AD and angle BAD is equal to EAC, then show that BC equal to DE. Okay, here you have given AC equal to AE. See, equal sign I have marked. Then AB equal to AD. See, AB, here is AD, then both are equal, then different sign I have marked here. Okay, then one more thing, angle BAD is equal to EAC. BAD, EAC, angle 1 and 2, but both are equal, we have given. And one another angle I have taken here, DAC, that is X, any unknown angle. Because what you have to show that BC equal to DE. I want this full triangle. BC is attached with right ABC. And here is I have one more triangle DE because they want DE here. So which triangle I have to take this ADE. So I am taking two triangles for solving this. BC equal to DE, which two one? Just you see, ABC and ADE. I have taken C in triangle ABC and ADE. Okay, so first thing you have to see which two sides are equal. AB and AD both are equal here. AB and AD. So I am writing AB equal to AD, and this is given to you in question. And this is side, so mark S. Then angle is, I want this one angle is given to you because angle 1 is given to angle 2. How, what is angle 1 actually? BAD. You write here. BAD is equal to EAC, and for our convenience what I have written here, this is your angle 1 and this is your angle 2. Now what I am going to do, I am going to find this angle BAC. BAC means angle 1 plus x, and one another triangle angle this. So that I am going to add angle x both side, angle 2 plus angle x. You can write here add angle x both sides. What is the meaning of angle 1 plus x? This is BAC, like BAC. This is BAC. And angle 2 plus x. Angle 2 plus x is this one. This is your DAE. Angle DAE. Both are equal. Mark it equation number 1. Same result I am writing here. A. This is angle BAC is equal to angle DA. This is very important one. And what is the reason? By 1. Okay. And one more side it is given to you. This is AC equal to AE. Directly you can write side. AC is equal to AE. This is given to you. So at last, what is the meaning? Then I can say triangle. Which two one? ABC. ABC will be congruent to triangle ADE by SAS rule. If both are congruent, then what we can say? BC is equal to DE by CPCT. Yes, next question is AB is a line segment and P is its midpoint. D and E are points on the same side of AB such that angle BAD is equal to angle ABE and angle EPA is equal to angle DPB. Okay, two things are given to you. See, AB is a line segment and P is its midpoint. P is midpoint of AB, so I can say AP equal to BP. Okay, then D and E are the points on the same side of AB. It means this is of that side. And what is given? These two angles are equal. This is angle A and angle B. This is angle A, angle B, both are equal. Then EPA, this is your angle 1. I have taken angle 1. And DPB, this is angle number 2. What you have to show? Triangle DAP is congruent to triangle EBP and AD equal to BE. For taking solving the first one, I am taking in triangle DAP on place of this congruent sign I am taking N, because I have to make it these two triangles congruent, and EBP. Okay. For that, what is given? This is angle A equal to angle B is given to you. I am writing in this way, in which pattern question is given to you. BAD is equal to ABE. The same thing, no? BAD is equal to ABE. ABE. This is given. One thing is given to you. Now, what is given here second? P is midpoint, no? Side AP equal to BP. AP equal to BP. P is midpoint of AB. Okay. Now one more thing I have to find out. This is given to you, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. What is angle 1 here and what is given actually? EPA is given to you and DPB is given to you. This is given to you. See, EPA is equal to DPB. What I have taken EPA, this is angle 1 and DPB is angle 2. Okay. Now I am going to add angle X both sides. I have taken EPB as angle X. For our convenience, I have taken angle X. Okay, you write here, add angle X both sides. So what is the meaning of this angle 1 plus angle X? This is APD, angle APD, and here BPE. This is BPE, and mark it equation number 1. Now third thing you have to write, angle APD is equal to angle BPE by first. Okay. Then triangle DAP will be congruent to triangle. Now this is congruent EBP. What is the reason? By ASA rule. Then you can say if these two are congruent, you can say AD equal to BE. AD is equal to BE by CPCT. This is your answer number 2. This is first answer. Hence proved.